Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, June 9th, 2020. It's also your last Tuesday as a fourth grader. So crazy. Happy last week of school. Remember to check the calendar below, giving an overview of some of this week's events. Today is Creative Tuesday. There will be no Zoom meeting today, but if you'd like to share with us something you've created today or another day, just click the Padlet link. We'd love to see what you've created. Today you will have a math, science, and library lesson. The math lesson is a little bit different than you're used to, so I'm going to walk you through that in this video. And I did also upload the final chapter of the Underwear Dare Zood, so make sure you check that out if you'd like to. We'll be available to help you with classwork during the following hours. My hours are a little bit different again today. I'll be available from 12 to 2, and Mrs. Betterton will be available during her usual times from 9 to 10 and from 2 to 3. As always, you can email us, call us, and we'll set up a video chat, and we're always here to help you. All right, so let's look at that math assignment because it is a little bit different today than usual. So here it is. So it's on a Google Doc. So you are going to have to, kind of like Google Slides, you're going to have to click like turn in. You're going to have this same game board for all 3 days of math this week. So like today's Tuesday, you also have math on Wednesday and Thursday. So the rules are in the middle of what you need to do. And if you click here and click the YouTube link, you could watch to, you need to do that. You should watch that video to understand how this game board works, okay? So I'm not going to really explain it to you because you need to watch that video. So watch that video, figure out how the game board works, have fun with it. It's meant to be a fun last week activity for you with some fun-filled math games. All right. Well, hope you have a great day. And as far as your other assignments, yeah, they're pretty much similar, science and library. All right. So, yep, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.